Happy Monday, West Riding fans, and we've got a fresh restoration or fresh refurbishment just come out of the workshop at WRCC. You've obviously seen glimpses of it as we've gone on. Now it's finished and looking for a new home, just in time for Easter. Good paint, as you can see, 2K paint. It's had a new ash frame fitted, refurbished hinges, new chrome. Refurbished wheels, new wheel trims, new tyres, all good chrome on it, all good rubbers, all new rear glass. Go back round the ash frame again, so the frame's had new trims in it, new glass in the back. Finished with 4 coats of Osmo oil, so that's got UV protector and fungicide in it for longevity. When the frame's been off, any repairs under the stands there has been repaired and coated, and the Z section there is the same as well. The rest of the structure of the car is really good, so just go around her. As you can see, the paint's absolutely beautiful. Not perfect, because I never describe anything as perfect, as you well know, but very good indeed. One last time round the exterior and then we'll go show you what we've done on the inside. There we go. So, original seat covers that are all in really good order. Anyway, no rips, tears, looking nicely patinaed, although if you watch enough of the WRC videos you'll know I really don't like that word, but there you go. So, carpet's really nice and clean, in good order. New parcel shelf, new glove box liners, paint on the dashboard, and the doors is all nice and clean. New sun visors, obviously interior mirrors or rear view mirrors in good condition, brand new headlining, good interior light. If you know anything about miners, you'll know they go brittle and fall in bits, but all good. All new trims, new ash trims inside, front seat belts fitted, rear seat, as you can see, all nice, in good order. It's made it a really nice car, to be fair. It's showing 37,236 miles. Start her up for you. Starts well. I've driven it round before we put the frame on, and it drives really well. It's an absolute pleasure. Door aperture, all nice and clean. Good gutters, you can still see the spot welds and whatnot on there. We've detailed the engine bay. It's got a reconditioned engine fitted, and we've detailed the engine bay up as well, so it's nice and tidy. It's got an alternator on it. Looks nice and clean. Bulkhead, tie plates, inner wings, everything's all nice and tidy. Definitely a local show quality car. You know, you could take it to any local show and probably come away with a prize for it. So have a look in the back. Interior boot liner is all new and nice and clean. As I said, we've cleaned all the boot floor section up and painted it all when we've had it out. So that's all nice and clean, as you can see. You can see to the extent the new headlining fitted, which is nice, and the new trims. Obviously nicely painted new panels. We've put new aluminium panels in, infill panels as well. So it's had new glass and infill panels. Really tidy car. If you're after a traveller that's on top of its game, sort of not £40,000 concourse rebuild, but really nice, usable. Take it to any show, go for country drives, seaside drives, with a big smile on your face, and show it with loads of pride. Then this one is probably the car for you, to be honest. It's one of them where you've got to get in your car and come and have a look at it as well, because I think the first person that does travel to see us in Sowerby Bridge will end up walking away with it. I will try put some pictures on of the refurbishment works as well, just so you can see what we've done and what it was like when it came and what it's like now. So it's on at 18,850 our nearest offer. We take Morris Minors, any classic cars that might be of interest, or motorbikes trading. Full details will be www.westridingclassics.co.uk today. Also Instagram and Facebook. And if you want to give us a call to discuss it, you want to speak to me, Dan, in sales, and our number is 01422 881221. So that's Dan at Yorkshire Minor Centre. Telephone number 01422 881221. Be quick guys, because I can't see this one being about long. It's a beautiful thing.